Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get ePublic ID step by step. Start by signing into your EA account on e-com and open account settings from your profile menu. Next, locate the profile or About section where your public ID or EA ID appears. If you do not see it, check privacy settings and toggles that control public visibility and save any changes you make promptly. Open the profile or About page and look for the EA Public ID listed next to your display name. If it is not present, choose Edit Profile and either set a public handle or enable the Public ID option. Save your updates and then use a friend's view or a public profile link to confirm the ID appears as expected. Adjust privacy settings if visibility remains restricted. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: if you want comfort between sessions, try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for reliable durability and comfort. They work great whether you're sitting through settings menus or intense matches, and they pair nicely with focused gaming. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your EA Public ID is visible, copy it exactly and use it when adding friends or linking services that require an EA identifier. Share cautiously and only with trusted contacts or platforms. If you ever want to change or hide it, return to Profile Settings, edit the Public ID field, and save. Regularly review privacy controls so your account information stays how you prefer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.